Dealing with the realities of life after a home fire is emotional and stressful. We know there's a lot to think about, so we've gathered some tips to help you clean up and get back on your feet. Use the following tips to figure out how to clean your home's exterior after a serious situation.
Cleaning up after a fire is not a DIY project. There are far too many variables and far too many dangers. Soot is a messy and oily residue. If it's not cleaned correctly, it can cause more damage to your property. Before. During. After.
Hands of a working man built this town, cleared this timber and plowed this ground, raised those cattle in the sun and snow, dammed that river and dug that coal. It's a debt we owe to the hands of a working man. Now my granddad had 'em and my daddy does too. Back home there ain't much else to do. Put food on the table and you fill up the tank. Pay what you owe to the boys at the bank. Live another day thanks to the hands of a working man. Working hard from the sun up to the sun.
Look how dead it was in the center. We're not gonna be very much.
Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze. looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If